Thanks for coming back, guys, to the channel. So we are back with another video, and today we are going to look at a very important aspect in the market, which is going to be patience. So patience in the markets. Patience is very crucial in the markets. Otherwise, if you don't have patience, you're going to either miss out on a lot of good opportunity, or you're going to mess up all your trading plans and strategies. So what exactly do we need? How do we put patience on the charts and the market to try to get a good return from such a good virtue? So let's start right away. If you are not patient in the market, it means you will be impatient, and the impatience can lead to a lot of things. Impatience can lead to impulse decisions. Impatience can lead to overtrading. Impatience can increase your fear and greed, and you will always end up messing up in the market. Let's say you're trying to trade a GBP USD and you are not patient at all. So this is what is going to happen. For example, we have a range in the market for GBP, which is this. We have a range in the market, as you can see right there. There is a range in the market, and you're not patient to see how this range is going to go. Now let me try to put in the 4-hour chart to try and see it easily. Okay, now this is the range that is there in the market for almost 3 weeks, from the beginning of August to the around 23rd. So it's like 3 weeks of a ranging market in gold and a break of all these zones. Now after the break, market pulls back into the previous supply. Now this was an area of a range that was not easy to be traded, but a break and retest will show you that the market is going to the downward side. Now this is what they call patience. In this zone, you can stay away and come back only around this point, because it's broken, retested, and now it's going down. Now this is the trend. This is where you want to be in the market, a trend. Now again, this is a range right here. As you can see, this is a range right there. Now you don't want to be caught up in this area right there, but as soon as it breaks the range and retests, now this is an indication that there's going to be a move, a continuation to the downward side. Now this is what you want. Now what does this patience helps you? This will help you avoid impulse decision. Like this is a couple of candles to the upward side and then a pullback to the downward side. Now this shows you that the market is not going anywhere. It's not trending up, it's not trending down, and this took, let's say it started from a 7th and somewhere up to 14th. So it means this took something like 6 to 7 days. Now here, this is where you want to be. Break and retest of the same exact zone. Break and retest of the same exact zone. Break to the downward side, retest, and enter somewhere around there. Range, break and retest, and you enter somewhere around here. Break and retest below, so you might enter somewhere around here. Now it means this will be your entry or sell zone. Now these are very good areas to enter the market. Now right here you see a trend to the downward side. Now it's trending to the upward side and a retest. Now in this position, you wait and see how the market will react. So you have to be patient to see different market structures and wait for your opportunity. This will help you avoid impulse decisions, overtrading. It will help you manage your fear and your greed in the market. Now this will help you also avoid volatile markets that are just ranging. So this is our video about being patient in the market Otherwise, if you want to stay long term, you have to adhere to such things like patience and discipline. And if you can't be patient in the market, you're going to keep over trading without sticking to a profitable strategy in the long term, and that will lead you to nowhere. Professional traders sometimes, most of the professional traders, they have setups and entries that will run for months before you. As for us, that intraday traders, you're trading today and tomorrow, it means you have positions that you open and close on a daily basis. But if you look into all the professional traders, let's take an example. We have something like let's say we have this a trend. We have a trend line right there. A little bit sorry about that. Okay, let's keep our trend line from here up to here. Now this is our upward trend that took a very long time, something like 6 to 7 months, and we saw that trend line being broken around here, which is August of this year. Now it means all this upward momentum was in. Let's start from down here. Let's start from down here and up to here, right there. It means all this upward trend, which took almost close to a year, was ended around the beginning of August. Now it was ended and it was ranging outside the trend line and broke and retest below, which showed you that this is going to be some very big move that is coming up. Now this was a cue for pro traders to enter a long-term trade, and as you can see, it has already paid off, because GBP USD made a move from 265 2650, and as you can see right now, it almost touched 2100, which is a very big move for GBP USD. And as you can see, that is something like 550, a change of 550, which means that's around 5,000 pips for GBP USD. Now that's a move that only pro traders can target and try to catch. Otherwise, the intraday and simple people who will not be able to be patient in the market will never catch a move like that. So just doing a recap on the important points that will help, that you will gain when you're patient in the market. You will be able to avoid impulse decision. You will be able to avoid overtrading. You will be able to manage your fear and greed to a certain extent, and this will help you be calm during the market turbulence, because you have long-term trades or you're waiting for your cue to enter the markets. So that was our video about being patient in the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and